For many years, the market was divided between simple applications executed by conventional switching devices and slightly more complex applications executed by controllers. Logo not only closed the gap between these two worlds, but also considerably reduced the number of switching devices needed for an application, as well as reducing the mounting and wiring efforts. Logo was considered an intelligent relay, but over the years it has evolved, and nowadays it has features such as cloud connection, integrated web server, PI control, astronomical clock, PWM, as well as several communication protocols like Ethernet, KNX, Modbus TCP, GSM and GPRS, which makes it considered a controller. Logo's flexibility allows it to excel in different markets, such as industrial, home automation, farming, among others. Congratulations, Logo, for 25 years of technological innovations and succeed in different markets. Looking forward for the next 25 years. Logo. Small, but wow!